I have explored southern Indiana for decades, but still managed to find unusual places, like this one at Medora, Indiana. When I found it back in 1997, I thought it looked like strange brick igloos, some kind of forgotten military base that time forgot. But if you live at Medora, you already know what these are. Its most unusual feature is that just about everything is made out of bricks, and that includes the ground surrounding these old, odd structures. I can imagine that when this place was new, it was really something to see. Looking down, there is a solid clue: Medora Block. Founded in 1904, this was where the Medora Shale Brick Company produced bricks from 1906 to 1924. And when the company went into bankruptcy, it was purchased by the Jackson Brick and Hollowware Company. They ran it from 1924 to 1990, officially closing in 1992. These domes were actually kilns that baked clay from the nearby hill. Finished bricks were used to pave streets and cover the outside of buildings. Drain tiles were also made here. Looking up is a grand dome made of bricks with a hole in the center. The dome is 8 feet high and a massive 30 feet in diameter. The walls are a solid 24 inches thick. Up to 73,000 bricks were placed in each kiln at a time, 30 bricks high. Although it was not uncommon to have 3,000 bad bricks during each run. Each brick required 1 pound of coal. In its glory days, the plant used 10,000 gallons of water a day from nearby ponds. While some of the buildings were torn down for tax purposes, much still remains. There's a rail line that moved bricks from storage to places far away. This is where beautiful old streets began life, and classical buildings, many standing and many now gone, had their start. Some of these include the University of Kentucky, Purdue University, Hanover University, Ball State University, and other fine institutions throughout the U.S. The old office building still stands, and you can imagine the large deals that happened in such a small town. A foundation was created to preserve this legacy, and much more is in the works. The Medora Brick Factory, just one more unusual and unexpected sight in southern Indiana.